competition in those exams. You have to attend English and you have to get to do well in English. Then only you get admission into top B schools in India. Further, in India, if you see the village area, in that area, if English is made mandatory, so village students generally, if they are learning English language, basically they face a lot of problem in English. So what happens is, if they are giving English exam, the maximum possibility chances are there for them to fail in English only. So if English is made mandatory, it becomes easier for them. They are speaking English, writing English since childhood. It becomes very easy for them to have English as their language. So I think it's good to have English as language.
You are right, but in my point of view, it is good because globalization is now very fast. And in other states also, like we are coming in South, we will speak in English itself. Nobody knows the national language in English. So that is okay. But if you will go in north side, especially that east areas or in Bihar, villages people they are completely addicted with Hindi. You can't change everyone to speak in English because especially the state board peoples, even though the English is compulsory for them, they are just writing for learning sake because they are completely addicted with the Hindi. So you can't change it completely at a sudden. English is a national language, but yeah, you can give the second prior the national language.
That's what is happening now. Just because we had our national language after independence, everyone got accustomed to Hindi. I think it would have changed at that time. We would have been able to do now. So those people who are just habituated to Hindi, they're lagging behind in English. So their opportunities are also going down. That's what if we change from now at least again it's time. It's not that we are doing, other generations also go through it. So better if we change from now, so we can in the future also these problems will be minimized and we will be able to come in global economy will be at a higher point.
But still now, I am agree with you about one point that English is a global language. But you think once again, still Indian 70% Indian people are living in village only. So first we have to think about that people. If we will accept that English is a national language of India, then think about that village people. Now our Indian literacy, it is below 50%. They don't know English. If you can communicate in English, like if you will go in bank, the officer will talk in English. So think about the village people. They want to open one account in bank. They can't open. They can't do the survive. They can't read itself government policy. So first,
that's what my point is. Government itself is doing all the things in English. Why can't we change it?
No, we cannot make it suddenly that the English.
That's what, it's not suddenly. We can change it. We have to educate them at the starting level. Then we can change the international language. But to first make the people learn English.
Just the new generation can be changed, but you cannot change the old generation. For them, some other way has to be there. You have to provide the both languages. What is right now going on? All the documents are there. Everything is there in English as well as in Hindi. Who is comfortable in English, they are doing in that, and who is comfortable in Hindi, they are filling it in that way.
Why to have a
government has to take norm, and if English has been flourished in India, then it will improve their status also. And the people from outside the country who are coming, they can also interact with the people as they are coming. But the people who are not knowing English and they are interacting with foreign people, but they are not able to properly interact with you. But if English has been made as a national language, so they will be knowing the language. And then it will be very much profitable for everyone, as it will improve the country economy also and will lead to the development as everyone can work in one language itself, and in all over world English is being flourished. So if here also it has been made the national language, so everyone can know the basic language, and it will be good for development of all around the India. So it can be made as a national language. As regarding the village people, like government can start some initiatives so as to give the basic education about English. So it will be helpful for all the people to know about whatever basic rules are required for English. So it can lead to the very much developing
it's not that you completely.
I agree with all of you, but in my point of view, bringing English as a national language will bring Western culture adaptation to our country. Our country is sustained by our culture. Due to our culture, the inflation rate was not higher in our country. Not mother person got become jobless. Everyone was in job. But if you see the Western countries, why I am talking about culture? Every day you can see a marriage ceremony here like that. This is our culture. But if you will adapt to English civilization, it will certainly change our culture.
We can still abandon our culture if we change the language. It's not like language will change the culture.
One more thing will be there. Like if you are adopting English as our national language. But more thing is that we are coming from Jharkhand, like I am coming from Jharkhand to Tamil Nadu, I cannot understand their language. If they are going to my place, they cannot understand Hindi. So if we are making English as national language, all over India complete, we will be able to communicate with each other. Even if we go to northeastern part,
I am
we will be able to
able but same thing.
I am also agreeing with
But we
you.
see Hindi, they are not knowing here.
So that is what I mean.
I am also agreeing with you. I will tell during Hindi medium, Rajendra Prasad was the first president of India. He wrote English paper, and the examiner wrote about him that examiner wrote about examiner is better than examiner. In that time, during that time, it not depend upon the person, it depends on the individual, how he take the subject. If he is interested in English, he can do better being keeping Hindi as a mother tongue, as a national language.
English you can give as a global for organizations, sectors, but you can't give the personal opinions or personal life because everybody is much comfortable with that mother language or national language.
It would be like that if everyone is comfortable with mother language, and it is been, Hindi is not at all being used as much as English. So it is changing, people are not sticking to the national language itself. So why if it is not going through Hindi,
Excuse me, still in
it
India,
is just for conversation.
Still in India, English is less using. I am telling you, less using. So in India, actually divided in different states. Each state having individual language. So you cannot say like that English is a major language. And second thing,
you can't say Hindi also.
in world, Hindi is our identification. They know this is a Hindi person. We are coming from India. Our identification is not English. English is an identification of European country. So if we will, okay, I am agreeing with your own points. Is English a convenient language? It is a good language to go for abroad and other things. But why we will lose our identification? We have to keep our identification. Still now, if you have data, see Hindi person is very in India. Not only Indian are living, they are comfortable with Hindi. So why we lose Hindi? We have to accept that Hindi is a national language of India.
See, being Hindi as a national language, it can be good for the country. But if we think globally, then English should be made national language because it will
I am
benefit.
agreeing with your
Okay, okay.
The point-
I want to give you a China, about China.
No,
I would like to-
China hasn't
what is the
adopted
point?
English.
Well, the main subject is there.
I am having the clear view that English should be made the national language. While we are considering taking India, India is a land of diverse culture of 8 major languages against put to various dialects. If you want to bring this people united, or if you want to make, or if you want to make them aware of certain things, it's better that we communicate in English. And when you look back, English has almost grown as a global language when you're looking back to past few years. And if you want to stand up to the world, it is better that it is a must that we have to learn English. And we take example of China. There were many instances when Chinese people, they are giving much and more importance for English, and they are giving awareness to people through the airport, railway station, etc. So it again shows
Actually, I am not.
Do you know which
I
is
am
the
not
third
against of English. I am telling these things we can do with Hindi also. First, we will accept that Hindi
We
is
can't
our
do it
national
because
language. And then
see,
why-
already English has grown
We
through
have
the
one-
nation. English has grown through the nation. Each and every part of nation knows English. Hindi is not known by any people. I mean, most of the people. So better knowing half language. Many people know English. So if you can make it them more easy, so everyone can be there. If you start teaching Hindi from childhood, so it will be different. They have to learn this because English will be there throughout it.
Yeah,
English is more adapted nowadays.
That's
I
a
would
lot
like to say
of
you
India.
have to learn English also from the starting itself.
Starting itself.
You cannot come and just now you can change it into
Now,
English.
see, every part has indulged in English. English has meant every part.
If you go to a village of Bihar, you will go and talk English, anyone will understand.
That's the difference, there it is there. In South you go, in many
Yeah,
parts
I'll go to
where English
Tamil Nadu
is-
village. I'll go to any Tamil Nadu village. I'll start talking English. Anyone will understand.
You can't directly speak English. They know little knowledge about English. They don't know that much knowledge about English. Little also they don't know about English.
The main thing is there, due to this language, we are dividing India.
Yeah, we are dividing it.
Dividing India.
You should have one language to
We are
learn.
having individual.
Okay. Time is very less.
Sir, we are running out of time. Let us arrive to one consensus. So I think better we should have Hindi only as our national language.
That's the main point is identification.
That is
It
most
gives
important.
people their own convenience, which language they want to choose. If Hindi is there, means each and every state is having Hindi. Hindi is already national language. Each and every state is having Hindi.
Even they should learn
They will be
Latin
having
language.
their own convenience of speaking their mother tongue, but Hindi remains as national language. So this is our consensus.
But
English
either you
should
should
be the
completely
language.
abolish English, that's the
No,
thing.
it
Why?
can be second
No,
language.
English can be taken as second
As a
language.
second
Hindi is
language
our
for the primary
But
school.
But officially, why not buy both things officially? That is
Government-
costing a lot, that is wasting a lot of money, that is wasting a lot of time also. Government officialdom is very important, it is wasting a lot. Why to go for printing? Go on, just go with Hindi everything.
Why do you having data that you are saying that this is the best?
Here, think, one question paper in any entrance exam, it goes for two printing, English, Hindi. Somewhere it goes for another printing of
So you
other
are thinking
language.
that if question paper will come in English, then
That's an example of question
Yeah,
paper.
some-
in same way you can think that the question paper will come in Hindi only.
That's what I'm saying, either English or Hindi. Why to condense both?
Yeah.
See, we are a learner. We can learn any language. Okay, in India we are still a learner. We can learn English, we can learn French, we can learn any language. It doesn't matter.
Hindi
But
should be
Hindi
the
is our
national
identification. We have
And
to
English
maintain
should
that.
That's identification is the point where we can go for Hindi.
Time has changed and majority of the
identification
government
we can
policies,
adopt.
documentation have been written in English. Okay, taking care of IAS secretary, sir.
Yeah.
It is not that I am not Malayalam or I am whether he is not telling. It is through English that we all communicated and that through English that we are getting united. Since this English has grown as a global language, if we want to stand up to the world and if we want to communicate with them, whatever it is treaties, whether it's nuclear treaties, whatever area of fields you constrain, it is very much as if that everyone almost feels very easy. English is simple
Okay,
language.
actually,
You can get it, you can learn.
You know one is there.
Listen once again.
You know one
Why
is
you are
there.
not thinking that you don't know Hindi? This is your drawback. You are living in India. Hindi is our national language, and you don't know. This is your drawback.
But
You
It's
can't
not,
say-
it's not her drawback because Hindi didn't reach up to them.
Yeah, it is not
Hindi
the
didn't reach up to
Hindi
them. That's the
is
problem. It was popular then. It didn't reach up to
Hindi is
them.
everywhere. It is adaptation problem.
Okay,
But
let me
adoption
finish.
it didn't reach up to
Individual
the language which is popular. Why is it
No, not a country problem. This is a individual problem.
Okay, let's stop. Better we go for control. Better we stop.
Right now, I said 5 minutes before we arrived at one consensus that Hindi should be made on national
For
language.
identification, I think for
Just one point that we can put is just identification.
That
Other than that,
is
we can't do
the
that.
strongest point. We cannot
for
contradict that point on
identification
any
purpose,
basis.
for identification purpose, Hindi can be
Identification plus second point is convenience.
No, it's not convenient for everyone.
But
How
Hindi can be
I strongly agree.
English.
How?
I strongly agree with Shiva in this matter. See, for example, any of the major treaties you are taking, whatever conference of summits within nations, whether you can communicate in Hindi to them? No. Whether you can
Atal Bihari Vajpayee. Atal Bihari Vajpayee was the first person to
Now we are
communicate in
getting
Hindi in US.
the main aim is
You know-
why we have to accept as a national language to English. So this is the main point. We are not against of English.
Actually,
we
one
are
thing is
supporting
that
English.
if you are
But we are
taking
dealing with